Dr. and parents, this is Vishnu Kansing. Welcome to in Admission Media. Today we're going to discuss about the latest update or the big counseling changes which are expected to be happen in NEET PG also. Because in the information bulletin of NEET UG, MCC has done a major changes for your regarding your counseling. The big update and the very big changes has been made. So in this video, we're going to discuss about those details that in the detail that what are the possibilities for you, how many rules will be changed, what will be the new rule, and as per that how you can proceed for the management or NRI seat, how the deemed universities counseling gonna happen, how the states counseling gonna happen. These all details will be covered in this video. So if you are new on this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it, as well as you can follow us on our Instagram page Admission Media, because whatever the latest update we are posting there, as well as do join our community on the Admission Media, Telegram. The name is Admission Media, because whatever the PDFs and the details of counseling and every details will be shared there in the detailed format. So do join Admission Media. As well as if you're looking for a low budget management or NRI seat, you can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545955519. The first big rule change is that from now onwards it is happening in NEET UG as well as it will be happening in NEET PG also, because for MCC both the counseling happens in the MCC website mcc.nhc.in. So major changes will be happening. If the changes happened in UG, then it is most probable changes that it will be also for the PG, because till now for UG as well as PG the rules were almost same. Now the UG rules have been changed, then it simply means PG rules can be also expected to change. The big update is that first one is that now onwards your deemed universities straight round will be totally online mode. Yes, the big change is here. First we're going to discuss about the deemed universities, because what happens, there are multiple of the candidates or parents who went directly to the college, make some payment that, and some universities are also there. They promised that in the last time, in the straight round when it was offline, they promise you that we will allot you the seat, come to us directly, make the payment XYZ. But from now onwards, your deemed universities straight round will be totally online. So if you have already made some payment or if you have did anything like that, I will suggest just go to the colleges, refund your payment, because now the choice filling or the getting of seat will totally depend upon the counseling pattern. No university or no deemed college can interfere in that and allot you a seat directly. It has been ruled for UG also. Most probably it will be for PG also. So now onwards, deemed universities straight round will be totally online. So if you are low rank looking for a management or NRI seat, now most probably deemed university seats will totally depends upon your luck by chance pattern. Otherwise, you have options, very good options for the state private medical colleges of different states. As per the latest update, as per the latest changes, it is expected that some of the states will be also changing their seats. Changing will be their pattern. Earlier, there was a upgradation rule till the second round. Means if you got a seat in round 1, you can upgrade it, join and upgrade till round 2 only, that is second round. But from now onwards, it will be till mop-up round also. Yes, if you got a seat in round 1, you join and upgrade in round 2. Again, you join and upgrade in mop-up round. Earlier, in round 2, there was no upgradation from round 2 the mop-up. But now onwards, it will be upgradation from round 2 to the round 3, which was earlier mop-up round. Again, the big rule change is here. There will be a fresh registration for stray vacancy round also. Yes, now onwards, most probably in PG also, in UG it's already been a rule. Information bulletin has been published. We have already shared the details in our Telegram channel Admission Media. You can get the details from there. But now onwards, as per the rule, it is most probable in NEET PG also, in the straight round of All India, there will be a fresh registration, but eligibility of only those candidates who didn't got any allotment in All India as well as states. Means if you have got any allotment or any physiological, you're looking for a higher clinical branches, you put any lower clinical branches and you got allotment. In that case, either you got in All India or in your state also, you will be non-eligible for the stray round itself. Means got any allotment in the mop-up round, non-eligible for the stray or the further rounds itself in All India. In states, it will totally depend upon their state's authority. If they allow you, then you will be eligible. Otherwise, your counseling will be over from mop-up round itself. Now, mop-up round, round 2 and mop-up round, again there will be a fresh choice filling. If you have already registered in round 1 and round 2, there is no need of registration. But if you have got any seat in round 2 and you don't join an upgrade, then it's a good thing. If you don't join it and you just left out from the counseling, your security amount will be forfeited. In the straight round itself, your registration will be open. Fresh registration will be there. Those candidates who didn't got any seat till now or in the mop-up round, they will be eligible for the straight round. But there is a one more big changes here. Earlier what happens in straight, we play randomly, we got any allotment, we just leave the seat, nothing will happen. From now onwards, in NEET UG what they have did, if you got any allotment in the straight round of All India, listen very carefully. If you got any allotment, I'm not saying whether you join it or don't join it. If you got any seat in All India straight round, you will be debarred from counseling for next 2 academic years. They have did in UG, so you can think that maybe they can change the year or they can increase 2 to 3 years also in PG, but most probably this rule will be for PG also. That is, if you got any kind of allotment in All India straight round, you will be have to join the seat. In a case if you don't want to join the seat, you have to pay the fees, as well as whether you join in or don't join it doesn't matter. Join it, you will carry on your studies, that's not an issue. If you don't want to join the seat, you have to pay the fees, as well as for next 2 academic year you will be not allowed to participate in the NEET counseling itself for All India as well as in states. Means you can give your exam, that won't be any problem, but you can't apply for the counseling itself. That's a very huge change. First one is this, and second the huge change is that which I already mentioned for the deemed universities. So if you're going for the NEET PG 23 counseling in this session, be ready for the big changes. In UP, for their NEET UG, they have already asked for the MCC common counseling. Whether it will happen for PG or not, that's a big question. But if MCC has already changed their rule for the NEET UG, most probably the same will be followed on for the NEET PG also. Whether it will be there or not, that's a big question. Whether it will be answered later on. But if the same changes happens in the NEET PG, then there is a huge things will be happening in your counseling. And till now, if you're looking for a low budget management seat or NRI seat, if you have already made your document and there is one more thing. After getting allotment in each round, if you want to join it, you have to upload your essential documents on the MCC website itself. Earlier, what happens if you got a seat, you want to join it, you went to the college, do your joining part. But from now onwards, you have to upload your essential documents as well as report to the college also. As well as if you want to upgrade it, you have to take you have to notify it itself that you want to join and upgrade. Earlier, upgradation rule was till round 2, but now onwards for mop-up round also. If you got any seat in mop-up round, you have an option to join it or leave it. If you are leaving the seat, you will be non-eligible for the further round of counseling. Earlier this rule was not there, but now onwards, if you got any allotment, whether you join it or not join it, you will be ineligible for the further counselings. It will happen in the states also. Major of the states going to apply these rules in their states counseling also. Let's see what happened. But if you're looking for a low budget management seat or NRI seat, no need to worry. Admission team media is there. Team admission media is there for you. You can contact us. We will be helping you out in your counseling, and we can ensure you that you will be getting your preferred branch as your preferred budget in the state private colleges, in which all states you have to target. What will be the latest update, how to proceed for the counseling. For all those details, you can avail our paid counseling guidance at the admissionmedia.in. And for more details or for more information, or if you have any doubts or any query, you can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545 95519. Thank you so much for watching this video.